So I have a large pressure cooker over here, and I've placed some salt on the bottom and a wire stand on top, and we're going to preheat this on medium flame for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare our cake. Alright, so I have my condensed milk over here, and the first thing we're going to add is our powdered sugar. Now get all of that sugar in there, and now we're going to mix. Oops, and try not to spill it. So next we're going to add our flavorless oil, and I'm using vegetable oil over here. So next we're going to add our milk gradually, like little by little. Don't put everything in there at once. So next we're going to be adding our baking soda and baking powder. Now it's time to add our flour. Continue mixing, making sure there are no lumps in there. If you think that your batter has become too thick, you can always add more milk. And if you think it is too thin, you can add a little more flour to it. Now is a good time to add your dry fruits. I have added some crushed cashews and almonds. Add a few drops of vanilla essence. Don't over mix it, and make sure that your batter is not too thick or too thin, and it's of the right consistency. Since I don't have any parchment paper left, I greased my cake tin with some oil and flour on top. So now we're going to pour our batter into the cake tin. Get every little last bit of it. Tap the tin a few times to get rid of the bubbles on the surface. I put some more dry fruits on the top so that it looks nicer. And now this is ready to be baked. So I've placed my cake on the wire stand, and we're going to cook this on low to medium flame for 20 to 25 minutes. So it has been 25 minutes exactly, and the toothpick came out clean. Keep your cake out for a little while for it to cool down before serving. And there you have it, your cake is ready.